Today's Thursday, October 4th. This is the 1975 two-year-only Cadillac Eldorado Power Antenna. This is the two-year-only limited extents variant from 75 to 76. The limited extents variant was from 73 to 76. The 73 and 74 are the same. The 75 and 76 have their own unique specialty features. So the unit's been completely rebuilt for my friend Ken up in Pennsylvania. And I'm going to do a functional validation test. It includes the brand new chrome telescopic multi-segment mast as well as the beautiful chrome bulb, show quality. All 5 of the internal gears have been removed and relubricated and recalibrated, as well as the limiter being tensioned for the proper rise. And the motor has been rebuilt. So this is a fully restored show quality unit going to my friend Ken Worth up in Pennsylvania. I'm doing a functional validation test. The unit is connected to power, so I'll go ahead and I'll apply power to the full extension. And the unit hits the mark and we have 100% full extension at 36-inch total rise. And I'll go ahead and do a retraction. And the unit self-parks. 73 through 76, and more specifically 75 to 76, has a self-parking feature that works in conjunction with the limiting switch, and it has to be calibrated appropriately to have the correct retraction and the correct limiting extents. So now I'll do the limiting extents. And there we have the partial limiting extents, which occurs when you turn on the radio. And we have the full retraction as if you were closing the radio knob. And I'll do a full extension one more time, which is normally conducted by the driver pressing the up-down switch in the instrument cluster area. And the unit fully rises, fully extended, self-parking. And now we'll do a full retraction. And the unit self-parks. So the unit's been completely rebuilt. It'll be going out to my friend Ken Worth in Pennsylvania as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. Beautiful brand new chrome multi-segment mast. Absolutely gorgeous, show quality. And the unit is calibrated, tested, and ready to be installed. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the Eldorados from 1967 to 1978. I personally own 7 of these cars in my own private collection, and I have over 250,000 Cadillac parts from 1959 to 1978 overall. Today is Thursday, October 10th. Thank you very kindly.